are going to Hong Kong soon, here is a step-by-step guide sa airport para alam nyo ang gagawin nyo. So basically yun guys, hanapin nyo yung line to immigration. That's the first thing you go to. So guys, depending on which terminal you arrive in, you might need to ride the train to reach immigration. So just follow all the signs to immigration and you'll be fine. So yan yung line guys to immigration. So just prepare your passport. That's about it. So guys, basically pila lang kayo sa immigration line. Have your passport ready. Just line up, look for visitors. I can take a video here kasi bawat. Okay guys, so after immigration, they'll give you like a slip. You keep that with you. Tapos, nasa labas na kayo for mga bagahe. Tignan nyo dun sa screen kung anong number. So, pagdating nyo guys, tignan nyo agad yung screen. Then, check yung flight number kung anong carousel. So, right now, we are in carousel 12. So, we're gonna go there now. So, basically, yun guys. After you get your luggage, you can either go out at arrival hall B or A. Sa B, mas malapit yung airport express. Tapos sa A, mas malapit kapag private airport transfer. So, for today, let's go and ride the train. Of course, kasabok ko na yung ticket ko sa train agad. So, hindi na ako bibili dito. Ayan guys, so, ang haba ng pila. So, dahil may ticket na ako, hindi na ako pipila dyan. This is my favorite way to go to Hong Kong City. Basically, I ride the Airport Express. So this, I book my tickets in Clock. Tapos paglabas mo, I just use my go time to access the local train. Super quick. And there in like 25 minutes, mga ganyan, nandun na ako agad. So let's go! Bar, still using my World Traveler luggage. While for the Airport Express train, you just enter the train without tickets from the airport. You will just scan your QR code ticket when you exit. There are luggage storages in between the carts, so you can put all of your large luggages there. They have free Wi-Fi plus plugs, so you can charge your devices if you need to. When you exit the Hong Kong airport station, just follow the signs to the local train. So open Google Maps and check how to get to your hotel so that you know which lines and which stations to go to. I'll be checking in the Park Hotel in Tsim Sha Tsui. So from Hong Kong station, I walked to Central Red Line and got off at TST station. From here, it was only walking distance to my hotel. The road was a little uneven, but it was okay. Now, time for check-in and a room tour. I just checked in here at the Park Hotel in Hong Kong. Apologies na gulong-gulo yung hair ko because it was really hot. It is like, what degrees is it? It's very hot and humid. It's at 29 but feels like 34. It's pretty warm. If you can hear something buzzing, that is my fan right here because it is so hot. We arrived at 6:40 p.m. and I just checked in my hotel at 9. So around 6:40, I was able to get my bags by like 7:10, 7:15 because we had to line up for immigration. And then we just took a bunch of photos. I did leave the airport I left the airport at 7:20. It is already like 9. I was able to check in around 8:45. It did take quite a while because I had to take the Hong Kong Airport Express to Hong Kong Station. Then from Hong Kong Station, I had to walk to cross to the local train. So from Central local train to Tsim Sha Tsui. And I kind of got lost a bit because I was looking for the exit with an elevator because I did have my huge luggage with me. So anyway, this is Park Hotel, Hong Kong, and I haven't done a tour yet, so I'm gonna bring you along with me and show you why this is a good option when you're here in Hong Kong. So guys, upon entry, you are greeted with this so much space, as in, this is probably one of the most spacious rooms I've ever tried here in Hong Kong. Sobrang laki ng space niya, guys. And it also has this accent chair right here, which I absolutely love. So, it has parang twin bed. Twin ba to? Kasi yung size niya parang king. It's a king size bed actually. However, yung bed frame niya parang pang twin because like they put it in the middle. But it's very big. It's very spacious. And I really like this accent wall right here na brick. Pwede ako mag-photoshoot dito if I want, ganon. Very nice accent detail. Of course, here they have your phone. They have one plug and two USB plugs right there. May USB plugs right there. Tapos, here, they also have a coffee maker. So, they have an espresso coffee maker and also 3 Nespresso pods na kasama na siya sa room. Then here, you have a large TV, of course. And they also have like a welcome snacks. So, there's fruits. And then, there's macaron. Super yummy. Can't wait to eat that kasi sobrang gutom na ako, to be honest. They have some kettle here. Tapos, more plugs. They have a lamp here, another light here. Ganda nga ng mga light eh. Tapos, they also have like this office chair. Then, when you go back to the hallway, you're gonna see the banyo, which looks amazing. Just look, guys. Banyo looks amazing and mukhang may light din siya. So right now, we are here inside the bathroom. It is so pretty. It's probably one of the prettiest bathroom I've ever stayed in. It's so cute. Look, I'll show you guys. Look, guys, bathtub. Ang ganda ng bathtub nila. Ibang-iba yung quality. Iba siyang klaseng bathtub. Tapos, they also have like, ay, hinawakan ko. They also have this, yung anti-slip mat. Ang ganda ng color. Naka-accent color siya. They also have built-in body wash and conditioner. There is no shower dito mismo sa bathtub kasi the shower is here. Separated siya. Separate yung shower. I wish din meron dito para diba all-in-one, but I guess not. Pagod na ako, guys. Pagod na ako kasi di pa kami kumakain tapos ang init sa labas. Sobrang init. Ang init, guys. As in, so from Central Station, guys, lumabas kayo sa exit A. Sa exit A, meron dong elevator. Yun kasi hindi ko mahanap kanina. So, hinanap ko pa siya. Tapos, medyo mabigat yung luggage ko. So, napagod ako. So, anyway, guys. So, they have this huge mirror. Lighted din siya. Right there. Tapos, ang ganda din ng sink. And as said kanina, ang ganda ng countertop. Kasi sobrang laki. Ang lawak niya. May basic toiletries lang tayo dito. Kasi go green na ang Hong Kong. So, they just have like toothbrush and a lot of tissue. And guys, sa hotel na to, sa Tsim Sha Tsui siya, or TST area, and I searched, kasi gutom talaga ako. It's night 9 something PM, di pa kami kumakain ng dinner. And iba-iba kami ng hotel. I don't know, medyo baliw kami. Iba-iba kami ng hotel. So, plan namin is to just eat on our own, tapos kita-kita na lang tomorrow. So, the Senzons, they have their own plans tomorrow, but me, Nico, and Josh are all gonna go to Macau. First time ko mag-Macau tomorrow. So, anyway, guys, if you look at this, sobrang laki. Ang lawak nung hotel. Pakita ko sa inyo ang lawak nung room. As in, from here pa lang, kitang-kita mo na ang lawak na nyo. So, yan guys. Pagpasok nyo pa lang, ang laki talaga nung room. As in, kahit lagay mo dyan siguro 10 maleta, makakalakad ka pa din. They have a really big bed. Sorry, magulo na siya kasi ginulo ko siya. So, they have a really big king-size bed. Tapos, they have this accent chair right here, which I absolutely love. Yellow, tapos yellow din yung lamp niya. Gandang accent in the room. Later, papakita ko yung view kasi nakabukas pa yung ilaw. So, you can't really see the view much. I'm on the 15th floor. So, tomorrow, and mamaya papakita ko yung view. So, ako as a worker, as a work from anywhere kind of girl, digital nomad, I'm happy na maganda yung working station. So, they have a really large desk right here. So, kung hindi nyo mag-work or mag-edit ng videos nyo, pwede siya dito. You also have 4 plugs right here and then 2 USB ports. Meron din LAN if kailangan mo for internet. Tapos, maganda din yung chair niya as an office chair. As in, reminds me of corporate work. Then, you also have a kettle here if they want some tea. There's coffee. Meron ding, I think this is sugar. Mga sugar saka creamer. They have 2 mugs right here. Tapos to guys, may filter jug. Because, I saw here in one of the packets na, yeah, libre yung water nila. Parang dispenser. So, I have to go down sa lobby to get some water. So, they provided this so you can refill it and put it in the fridge yourself. Of course, tissue. And I'm so happy. My fruit platter. Thank you so much, Park Hotel. Park Hotel, thank you so much for the fruit platter. And they also have macarons. I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna eat this. They have plates, spoon, and forks if you order in. Okay na okay lang. And then here, they also have a Nespresso machine, which I love. I absolutely love this. They have 3 na free pods, tapos more creamer and more sugar right there. Appreciate ko there is a full-length size mirror right there. O, diba? Pawis na ako. Sobrang pawis na ako. So, this is day 1 of Hong Kong. Basically, just to travel here. Tapos dito sa closet nila guys, so may light. They have an extra pillow right there. Tapos they have multiple hangers, 2 bathrobes, an ironing board. Andun yung iron sa likod, tapos slippers. And then here naman, they have, you know, a hair dryer. Tapos here, they have a safe. Tapos storage dito. And yun guys, basically, this is Park Hotel in Hong Kong. So, yung location nito guys, walking distance lang siya from Tsim Sha Tsui Station. Pinakamalapit is exit A or B. Feeling ko B yung pinakamalapit. Kasi tumawid pa ako with the A. Kasi yung A kasi yung may elevator. So, don't forget, sa Tsim Sha Tsui exit A, dun yung may elevator. So, pag may maleta kayo, dun kayo. Tapos, dapat lalabas pa kami ni Josh to go to Temple Street Night Market. Pero pagod na kami. Ay, gutom na kami. And ay, sabi ko, I'm gonna go out to eat. I'll probably just go to McDo to get some food. Tapos, I'll call it a night. Because tomorrow, we have to be at the pier before 9:30. So, aalis siguro ako by 8:30.